Hello everyone, in this video we will solve an interesting USA grade 9 math problem. Our equation is x square minus root over of 3 times x is equal to 1. We find out what is the value of x. If you practice Olympiad level math question, please subscribe to the channel. This line I can write it x square minus root over of 3 times x. If I move left side 1, it will be negative 1 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. So we know that quadratic formula is x is equal to negative b plus minus root over of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Here b is coefficient of x. So it will be negative root 3. And a is coefficient of x square and c is constant. It will be negative 1. So b is coefficient of negative 3. So negative 3, it will be positive root 3 plus minus root over of b is negative 3. So it will be 3 root 3 square minus 4 times a is 1 and c is negative 1. Negative and negative, it will be positive, and 2 times a is 1. Then root over of 3 plus minus, here square root is cancel out, so 3 plus 4 times 1 times 1, it will be 4, 2 times 1, it will be 2. Then root over of 3 plus minus root over of 3 plus 4, it will be 7 divided by 2. So x is equal to root over of 3 plus root 7 divided by 2. This is our first answer. And x is equal to root over of 3 minus root 7 over 2. This is our second answer.